Creating a fake access point. A fake access point is basically an access point that just looks normal to any user, and it doesn't have encryption on it, so people can connect to it without having to enter a key. It's an open network, and it should have internet connection to attract people to use it. So why would we create a fake access point? Well, if we create a fake access point, we're going to attract a large number of people to connect to this network and access the internet. Once they do that, they're going to be doing login to usernames, you can logging into their accounts and doing what they want to do on the internet. Because the access point doesn't use encryption, so we'll be able to sniff it very easily and sniff and capture all the information that they log. Creating an access point is simple. It just needs to be set up correctly so that the access point can function correctly. Now the first thing we're gonna need, two cards. So one card is going to be connected to the internet. It doesn't matter what card is it. It could be a 3G card, it could be a wired card, it could be a wireless card. All we need is a card that is connected to the internet. And then we're going to need a second card, and that card has to be a Wi-Fi card. So this second Wi-Fi card is going to be used as the access point. It's going to be used to broadcast the signal of the access point. So this is our hacker device. We're going to need two cards connected to our device. One card that is connected to the internet, and the other card is going to act as an access point. It's going to broadcast to tell all the devices around it that I'm an access point and you can connect to me and access the internet. So how are we going to do this, or how it's going to work? Say for example, client number 1 wants to access google.com. So it's going to ask our Wi-Fi card to get that, because our Wi-Fi card is pretending to be the access point. Now the Wi-Fi card doesn't have internet connection, so we're gonna have to set it up in a way that once it gets a request, it goes and it talks to the second card that is connected to the internet. Now the second card is gonna go bring the request, forward it back through our device to the Wi-Fi card and back to client number 1. Let's do this again. So we have two cards, one of them connected to the internet. Let's say it's a wired card, that's what I'm going to use in my example. And the second one is a Wi-Fi card that's going to act as the access point, and it's going to broadcast the signal. So devices are going to connect to this device, to the Wi-Fi card. They're going to ask for google.com. The Wi-Fi card is, we're going to set up our device in a way that once it gets a request, it goes and it asks the wired card that has internet connection. The wired card is going to go, it's going to bring google.com, and it will bring it back to the Wi-Fi card. The Wi-Fi card will forward the packets back to client number 1. That's the theory part of how a fake access point is going to work. In the next video we're going to do it in a practical way. We'll see the commands that we're going to need to use, and it's going to become more clear once you actually do it and once I explain all the commands to you.